Every year, across the wild heart of Africa, more than 2 million animals begin the most dangerous journey on Earth. A migration driven by hunger, rain, and survival. For the weak, the old, and the newborn, this journey becomes a death march. The migration feeds the entire ecosystem. For predators, this is the season of abundance. This crossing is one of the deadliest natural events on Earth. Even after surviving the river, danger never ends. Life returns to the plains, but survival has only just begun. Only the strongest survive.